In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do keyword research on YouTube. This is a full tutorial and it's especially made for beginners on YouTube, helping you get started with keyword research so that you can get more views on your YouTube videos. Let's not waste another second and jump right into it. Before you start performing keyword research, you need to know exactly what topic you want to make your video about. So let's have a look at this video and what kind of keyword research process we would go through in order to find the right kind of title for a video teaching you how to do keyword research on YouTube. We're going to jump onto the laptop, and the first tool that we're going to use is YouTube Autosuggest. Now, YouTube Autosuggest is going to let you know exactly what people are currently typing into YouTube around the keywords that you are typing. So if we put keyword research in and then hit spacebar, people are currently searching for keyword research for SEO, keyword research Google Ads, keyword research tool, keyword research techniques, and keyword research tutorial. Now, these are some of the topics that you could think about making your video about. Talking about keyword research tools, we currently use Tubebuddy as our main keyword research tool together with the YouTube Autosuggest feature. So if you're interested in trying out Tubebuddy, have a look at the link in the description down below. This is an affiliate link and we do earn a commission if you do sign up for a paid version, but there's a free version of Tubebuddy that you can use by using the link in the description down below. Back to our YouTube Autosuggest, what I like to do is go into the first suggestion that you have inside of search and then have a look at some of the videos that come up ranking number 1, 2, and 3 for this specific search result. So you can see there's keyword research part 1, SEO Unlocked, free SEO course with Neil Patel. Then there's keyword research for SEO 2020 tutorial. And then there's advanced keyword research tutorial, a 5-step blueprint. Now these will give you ideas for your research topic, but what you really want to do is look for a long tail keyword. If you want to find out more about how to find long tail keywords, have a look at our video here where we teach you exactly how to find those long tail keywords. We're going to show you a brief version of this in this video right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to the YouTube Autosuggest and hit that spacebar again, and it's going to give you some more ideas. So there's keyword research SEO for YouTube. Now, if we have a look at that, it's a longer tail keyword, so there should be less competition and an easier keyword for you to rank inside of YouTube search. Because our main goal at the end of the day is to get you to rank higher in YouTube search so that you can get views while you snooze. So let's get you those views. Let's have a look. Here's our man Sean Cannell from Think Media with the best free keyword research tools for YouTube. Now that is a great title. So let's have a look at that. We're going to copy that and paste it in to the search bar. Sean's video is obviously going to come up at the top there, but this will give you a few ideas and you'll have a look here. We've also done a best free keyword research tool for YouTube videos in 2020 and we are ranking number 3. So the process that we are teaching you here is a proven process, and you can see by getting those long tail keywords, by getting ideas from other creators. Don't just copy other creators, get ideas and make it unique for you and your channel and your point of view and what you can teach people in your videos. In the second part of this video, I'm going to show you how we use Tubebuddy in order to perform keyword research for YouTube. So let's jump back onto the laptop and let me show you how awesome Tubebuddy is. So we're going to head into the Tubebuddy app and we're going to go to the Keyword Explorer. So we're going to launch the Keyword Explorer and we're going to type in keyword research. And the great thing about Tubebuddy is on the right hand side, they give you a related video searches to the keywords that you're actually typing in. So there's keyword research for SEO, keyword research for YouTube, tool, tutorial 2020. Now this is very similar to the YouTube Autosuggest, but it does have an added feature because it gives you an overall score according to the search volume for that keyword and the competition for that keyword. So if we go further, keyword research for YouTube, and let's have a look at what kind of score Tubebuddy gives us for this specific keyword. Now the search volume is fair and the competition is fair. When we're first starting out on YouTube, I want you to find keywords that have a low competition, so it gives you a better chance in ranking higher in that search so that we can get you those views while you snooze. So I want you to go down on the video searches and look for longer tail keyword examples. So if we head down, there's keyword research for YouTube Tubebuddy. There's also how to do keyword research for YouTube videos. Now that is golden. It's a nice long tail keyword, and let's see what kind of score Tubebuddy gives us. So our score has gone up to good. It's 56 out of 100. And the reason why is the search volume's high and the competition is fair. Now we want to dig a bit deeper and try and find something that has low competition, even if we have to sacrifice a bit of search volume. So what I like to do is try and make the video unique for the year. So let's head into the end here and type in the year 2021 and hit enter to see if this is going to help reduce the competition for that specific keyword. And there we go, our competition has come to very good. We have sacrificed a bit of search volume, but we're still getting a very good score, 66 out of 100. If you have any questions or queries about getting started with your keyword research for your YouTube channel, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. If you liked this video and you learned something awesome about keyword research on YouTube, smash that like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we create new videos every single week, helping you start and grow your YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.